Welcome to this video aims to show you how to cook easy chicken quinoa bowl protein meal prep step by step. So, let's get started on this protein-packed journey together. Stay tuned for the full recipe. Ingredients: 1. Chicken breast. 2. Quinoa. 3. Mixed greens. 4. Cherry tomatoes. 5. Cucumber. 6. Olive oil. 7. Lemon. 8. Salt and pepper. Step 1. Cook quinoa according to package instructions. Step 2. Season chicken breast with salt and pepper, then grill until cooked through. Step 3. Chop mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and cucumber. Step 4. In a bowl, combine cooked quinoa, chopped vegetables, and sliced grilled chicken. Step 5. Drizzle with olive oil, squeeze lemon juice, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Thanks for joining Souda Wellness. Remember to prioritize your health and well-being.